So hi guys, this is the Woody and Buzz set. We're gonna review Woody first. So this is what it says. Okay. Okay. So this is what he says.
I gotta get Forky.
This is the whole Woody. And this is the back. And this is boots. Yeah. And let's review Buzz. So I'm getting another Buzz because this one is really bad.
It's alright, Space Ranger. It's a code 546.
So this one is not interactive, so I'm gonna get another one. And this Buzz is not interactive, so I'm not getting another. I'm getting another one. Yeah, I'm getting another one of these Buzz Lightyears. You know, the other toys is interactive. I'm gonna show them soon. So there's only one wing come out, so this bad because it's really old. And it's yeah, it's on the end right here. That's weird. Yeah, he got spiny and that's weird. Like, look. So this is the only thing that's good. I'm not gonna take this sticker off, and this little paint right here. So yeah. Okay, and this helmet. Is the helmet still good? It's in purple or something like that. It's the paint. It been outside a lot, I think, or something like that. The glass. The button still works fast. So it's here, it's taped. I gotta get another one because this one is very old and this is discontinued on Amazon. Yes, discontinued on Amazon. Only get this one at JCPenney's. Yeah.